Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video, we are going to see how the loan collection follow-up process will work in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So this is agent's profile, that is staff profile, and from here we can see the field collection, loan collection list. So here one customer assigned to that staff. So let's suppose the customer is not available, then in follow-up first comment what we can write. So the staff can write the customer is not available and just change the date, if any particular date, and just save. And next again the staff want to write down the follow-up second comment. If the customer is available on Sunday, customer is available on Sunday, and he can change the date as per the day and just save this. So when you click on the follow-up comments, you can see we have created the two comments. So now this customer is not available. Now you can skip here this customer. So this customer is skipped for that day. Now just sign out from here and log in from that admin ID. And now here the admin can see what the field collection loan skipped list. So here you can see one Smita customer, that is from South Group, and that one is skipped because the customer is not available. So by chance the customer is available, then what we can do, just undo skip and just select this record and undo skip. So now this customer again will be available to that staff to collect that amount. So just sign out from here and go to the staff profile. And now this staff profile, you can see the loan collection list and the customer is visible, customer's record is here. So what we can do, just 1033, just receive this amount. If it is cash or bank, let's take it for bank, and you can write the check number and any other details of if it is RTGS, and just receive this amount. So we have received 1033. So now what you can do, just sign out from here and log in from the admin profile. And now from the field collection, the loan collection list, from the collection report, the collection by staff, and that is from this bank, and just refresh. Now we can see this amount is received by bank. So the admin can verify this amount from here, and the amount is verified and received very successfully. So this type loan approval follow-up process will work in the field collection. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.